Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate powder. First, you'll need to select high-quality cocoa beans, which are the foundation of great chocolate. Next, gently roast these beans to bring out their deep, complex flavors. After roasting, carefully remove the thin outer shells, leaving behind the valuable cocoa nibs. This initial preparation is crucial for the taste of your final powder. Once you have your clean cocoa nibs, the next step is to grind them. As you grind, the friction and natural fats in the nibs will transform them into a thick, flowing paste. This paste is called cocoa liquor, and it's a key intermediate product. It contains both the cocoa solids and the cocoa butter, which are naturally present in the beans. Now, to create cocoa powder, we need to separate some of the cocoa butter from the liquor. This is done by pressing the cocoa liquor under high pressure. The valuable cocoa butter is extracted, leaving behind a solid mass. This solid, which is much lower in fat, is known as cocoa cake. It's the direct precursor to your powder. Finally, we take the cocoa cake and break it into smaller, manageable pieces. These pieces are then finely ground using specialized equipment until they become a light, fluffy powder. To ensure a perfectly smooth texture, the powder is often sifted to remove any larger particles. And there, you have it, your very own homemade chocolate powder, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.